Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another Holidays with the Housewife video. Today I have another really easy insert card for you. This is my Oh Dear insert card. How fun is this design? You have the clever little pun there for the sentiment and that cute reindeer in the center. There's a spot on the inside for your message, and I include an envelope as well. I've said it before, all of my insert cards can be made on any Cricut cutting machine ranging from the Cricut Joy all the way up to the Cricut Maker 4 as well as the Cricut Venture. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get into the materials. For this project, you're going to need your Cricut cutting machine, a light grip or standard grip cutting mat, scoring wheel or scoring stylus, a weeding tool, a Cricut pen in your choice of color, brayer, scraper, glue and adhesive, and your cardstock. Now that we know what materials we're going to need, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project is part of Holidays with the Housewife 2025. If you're watching this video during the event, the download button will be located on the event page. If you're watching this after the event has ended, you can purchase the individual cut file for this project in my shop, or purchase the VIP Access Pass that gives you access to all 12 event files, printable worksheets, video tutorials, and commercial licensing. You'll be able to find more information on both of those options in the video description below. No matter how you download the cut file, make sure to download the file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can go ahead and open up Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to Cricut Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in Cricut Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer, click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that our project has been brought into our canvas, we can ungroup the design. Before I do that, I do want to mention the file is going to upload like this. You're not going to see any of the draw lines. Don't worry, they are there. They're just hidden right now before we do the conversions. Let's go ahead and ungroup the design. Let's find the envelope, click on this icon to drop down the layers, highlight this top layer, come up to the operation menu and change that to score, highlight the group, and attach. And now we can work on the card base. Click on this icon, highlight this top layer, come up to the operation menu and change that to score. This second layer is going to be all of the pen work. Come up to the operation menu and change that to pen. Now you can see that all of that artwork has appeared. Go ahead and highlight the group and attach. Once you've done all that conversion, go ahead and click Make. And you can see the mats for this project. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this project. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, so I have everything cut out. It's time to go ahead and start to assemble. The first thing that I'm going to do is fold and burnish along the score line of the card base. Go ahead and open up the card, and you're going to feed the insert through the slits on the card. through the slits on the card base. Just like that. I'll set that to the side. Let's go ahead and make the envelope. For the envelope, we're going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Add glue along the outer edge of the inlay panel. Flip the inlay over and place it over the cutout on the envelope flap. Spin the envelope around. Bring those side flaps in. Add glue to the bottom of the side flaps. With your thumbs, go ahead and push up and press. And that forms your envelope. And our card is all set. What did you think of this card? Another super easy, super sweet holiday card. I hope that you enjoyed this one. You can change it up by changing the color of the insert or the pen. It's totally up to you, and I hope that you like it. If you make this card, I hope that you post it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Holidays with the Housewife video. Bye-bye.